Hello everyone and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you are all fine in your home because you know very well now the lockdown is going on due to which virus? Coronavirus. Okay? So, and you already know that the lockdown has been increased for more 15 days from today. Means lockdown 3.0 is started from today. So, during the lockdown, the teachers of Valley Public School are providing online classes through the videos for the respective classes or the respective subjects. And I am here, your maths teacher, Manish Gupta, today teach you maths. And in our previous classes, we have completed 1A and today we will start 1B. And in 1B, what we have to do? Just we have to compare the numbers. Compare the number means which number is greater or which number is smaller, and then we have to arrange 4 to 5 numbers either in ascending order or in descending order. So first we will find that which number is greater. So you can see that I have written two numbers. And in between two numbers we have to find which one is greater and which one is longer. So let's start. Now, first what we have to do? We have to count the digits. Suppose in this number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And in this number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, in counting, there are 5 digits, and in this there are how many digits? 7 digits. So, which one is greater? 7 is greater. So, by observing this, we get that which number is greater? Students, which number is greater? Yes, this number is greater. So, we will use this sign. Means the open side will be the larger number and the closed side should be the smaller number. This is the one way to find the number that is greater or that is smaller. Clear? Now I'm giving another example to explain this one. Suppose again I have written the number 9, 4, 6, 7 and here 1. And one more example, 1, 6, 5, 4, 2. And then what? We have to find the larger number or smaller number. Okay. Now, when you find the smaller number, with the help of a smaller number, you will get the larger number, and with the help of larger number, you can find the smaller number. So let's start. Now, first we will find the larger number. Now, in our first example, we have seen that we have to count the digits. So now we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are there in number? 5 digits are there. And in this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have observed that they have the same number of digits. So, how we can find that which number is greater? Now, what we have to do? When the number of digits are same, then we have to apply another way, and another way is that so. Now we have to start from the first letter or the first digit. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. And in this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now we have to compare the digit one by one. We have to compare the digit one by one from the left side of the number. From the left side of the number means from this side. From this side. So let's start comparing. 1, 1. Both are same. Now if the first are same, we will again compare the next digit. Next digit. Now here it is 9 and here it is 6. Now students, which one is larger? Obviously 9 is larger than 6. Now in this way we can say that which number is greater, whose digit is greater, the number will be larger. Now which number is greater? This number is what? Greater. This number is greater. So we have to write the greater than this number. So this is the way we can find which one is greater or which one is what? Smaller. Okay. Now, so question number 1 to 6 we have completed. Means from question number 1 to 6 we have to do or we have to find which one is greater or which one is smaller by putting the symbols. And the symbols are this one and this one. And do you know what we call this what symbols? So we call this symbols, the first one is greater than, and this one what? Opposite of this, that is smaller than. Okay. Now we will start the next one, that we have to arrange the numbers in ascending orders or either in descending order. So let's start. Now I'm taking example 7 number question. Now the 7 number question is 63521047, and then wait, now I'm giving another example. Okay, not from the book. Now let's see. I'm writing some example numbers like 9, 4, 3, 2, 6, then 8, 7, 5, 6, 2, 4, then 9, 5, 3, 3, then 9, 9, then how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, and then 10, 9, 4, 6. So how many numbers we have taken? We have taken 4 numbers, or we have to arrange this number in which either in descending order or either in ascending order. Now you already know about this, that what is ascending or descending order. Descending order means we have to start from the largest and further we go to the smaller one, and in ascending order we will start from the smaller number and end with the largest number. So first we will write or arrange this number in descending order. So just I'm writing here that in descending order. Now first descending order means first we have to find the largest one among these numbers. Let's see. First we have to count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means this number has, okay, wait, one number is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this number has 5 digits. But in this number, how many digits are there? 6 digits. How many numbers? 6 digits are there. So which one is the largest one? The number which has the largest number of digits is the largest number. So first one, this. So 8, 7, 5, 6, 2, 4. This is the largest number. So we have counted this one. Now we have to compare these 3 numbers. Okay. Now you have seen that these are same number of digits. Then what we have to do? Now we have, again, you know, now I told you that when the digits are same, then we compare the digits from the left side of the number. So let's see. This is 9. This is 9. Both are same, but here it is 1. Now 9 is greater than 1. 9 is greater than 1. So this is a smaller number. Now again 9, 9. This 2 has same digits. Again we have to see the another digits. Here 4, or here you can see 5. Now which one is greater? Obviously 5 is greater than 4. Means the next largest number after this. So we will write this number 95399. And then now how many numbers are left? 2 numbers. This one and this one. Now both have the same number of digits. So we will compare the number by digits from its left side, means from this side. We will compare the first digit. In this number, the first digit is 9, and in this number, the first digit is 1. So which one is largest? Obviously 9 is largest. So in third number, we write this number. And the last one is the smallest one. So 10946. So this is the ascending order, and if you want to write in ascending order, just write this number from right to left. Okay, from right to left. Like 10946, then 94326, then 95399, and then 87564. This is the ascending order, means from smaller to greater. So in this exercise, we have to find up to this. Okay, so complete this exercise 1B, and next step we will discuss the next exercise, that is 1C. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.